joining us online or watching us back later, we are of different emotions kind of all tangled in this day. And so whatever this day looks like for you, we are so glad that you're here.